Fun fact: imagine a fire that has been burning for hundreds of years without ever going out. Is this magic or a bizarre natural phenomenon? One of the most famous eternal flames is at Eternal Flame Falls in the United States. Behind this waterfall, natural gas seeps from the rocks, creating a flame that keeps burning. But Eternal Flame Falls isn't the only one. There's also the Door to Hell in Turkmenistan, a massive crater that has been burning for over 50 years. In 1971, Soviet scientists tried to drill the ground, but instead they caused methane gas to leak and ignite. They thought the fire would go out in a few weeks, but to this day it's still burning. This phenomenon happens because natural gas keeps escaping from within the earth, fueling an endless fire. So is this a natural wonder or an unstoppable disaster? Do you think there are other eternal flames waiting to be discovered?